Hello everyone, welcome to Turkey. I'm actually already in Istanbul. It's the famous pedestrian street behind me. And yeah, but how did we got here? We cycled from Edirne to the Sea of Marmara. And yeah, you can see some snippets from this today. And I think probably the cycle into Istanbul will be a separate video. Before we continued cycling in Turkey, we did some sightseeing in Edirne. This is Mimar Sinan. He was the greatest master architect of the Ottoman Empire. He designed this mosque, which was included on UNESCO's World Heritage List. Next to the mosque is the Turkish and Islamic Art Museum. By the way, Edirne was the capital of the Ottoman Empire. The mosque itself has one of the highest minarets of Türkiye. This is Mimar Sinan again, and again on the left side. This was once a caravanserai. It was designed to host travelers in the 16th century. Edirne is also known for oil wrestling. We ate our first baklava. It was so good we had to go for a second run. But now let's get back to cycling. We cycled about 80 kilometers that day, and it was quite hilly that day. We cycled all day long on the state road D100. It might look like an autobahn, but it's not the largest road in Turkey. This road has a big shoulder for us. Our goal for today was to reach Lüleburgers. Well, actually, our destination was the Bicycle Academy. It's a place for locals, especially for kids, to spend their time cycling. They also host travelers from all around the world. On the next day we cycled to Çorlu. Lüleburgers also has academies for other sports, for example for swimming or for football. We said goodbye to our host and continued cycling around the world. Which meant to continue to cycle on D100 for this day. Did this dummy police car and policeman fool you? Before we headed to the hotel, we ate something. On our third day cycling in Turkey, we made it to Istanbul. Well, just to the edge of Istanbul. And again we continued cycling on D100. Istanbul is getting closer and closer. But also the Sea of Marmara is getting closer. This is our first glimpse of the Marmara Sea. Can you even see it on camera? Now you can see it. And I'm happy about it. Sometimes it's a bit tricky to cycle on the exit and entries of the D100. While getting closer to Istanbul, the big shoulder disappeared sometimes. So we took the smaller roads, which meant we also got closer to the Sea of Marmara. Here we are, we made it to the Sea of Marmara. Yoo-hoo! Here we also took a lunch break with a delicious dessert and chai. Aren't those colorful houses beautiful? It also was quite windy that day. And here we have another beautiful view of the coast of the Sea of Marmara. And you can get a feeling how big Istanbul actually is. Sometimes we had to get back on the 100 because there was no better option for us. And sometimes we had beautiful coastal roads. After we found a hotel, we went to the beach. And we were able to take a swim in the Sea of Marmara.